In this week's show we have a shortboard in the shop. The nose was snapped right off, the piece is gone, so we're going to have to reshape it. First we're going to cut off all the damaged residue, glue a new piece of foam on there, reshape the nose, and then fiberglass it. So there are still some loose pieces of fiberglass. I'm going to set my cut just behind there. I'm going to cut it at an angle because I have a little bit of an idea. There is a bit of damage going into the side here, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be curving this piece out just a little bit, so I'll have like a kind of a new design once I glue the nose back on. So I mixed some resin. I'm going to glue this piece on here. So the epoxy is hardened, it's all cured. I'm going to take the tape off. I'm going to now shape it back into its original form and give it a little bit of a corner over this side, because I actually want to change the nose and make it look like a shark fin. So I'm done shaping the nose like a shark fin. Gonna cut a bit of glass, get it ready for lamination. So after quite a bit of sanding, I finally managed to actually hot coat this. I needed to do the hot coat twice. I had a couple of small areas that I just went along with the hot coat, so underneath it stretches a little bit further. So now what I'm going to start doing is just to get rid of these corners from the tape, and then I'm going to just wet sandpaper all of this flat. I'm going to begin with a 360 wet sandpaper, go over to an 800 and then 1000 wet sandpaper. What I'm going to be doing is coloring the shark fin in and then adding a little bit of water at the bottom so it looks like the shark is coming through the water. So after 2 layers of 8-ounce cloth and 2 layers of hot coat, or you could say 1 hot coat, 1 gloss coat, the shark fin nose is finally in the bag. On an older board, you can play around a little bit, change colors, change designs. So hopefully the customer will enjoy this board a little bit longer. I'm going to give it back to his father, and hopefully his son will be back in the water by this weekend. So that's it for this week, my friends. Click that notification bell, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.